selling you an artificial friend. Here in the United States, someone has decided to turn loneliness into business. And so far, nothing unusual. It's a huge market, and the demand is here. The problem is the dark side behind it.
And what you see here is the activist response to an ad campaign that ended up costing 1 million. People spray painted messages like surveillance capitalism and get real friends. Look, at least here in New York City, people are beginning to realize that artificial intelligence could be a major danger to everyone's lives, especially when it's sold as a fake friend like this.
But let's go step by step to understand what's going on. There is a product called friend.com. It's not a social network, not just an app. It's a pendant, a tag we wear all day, always with us. Inside a microphone, listen to everything you say and do. It records, interprets, replies. It doesn't schedule meetings. It doesn't write emails. It talks to us. It cheers you. It cheers us up. It tells us we are doing well. After seeing a movie, it asks us if this movie reminded us of someone. It builds a relationship with us, fake, but emotionally real. And that's where the game changes. Because if that object becomes our friend, the one who really owns the relationship isn't the AI. It's the company that controls friends.com. They decide what it says, how it replies, what kind of messages it sends. The machine isn't choosing to influence you. The owner is. Today, it might encourage you. Tomorrow, it could suggest what to buy. The next day, it could push you to vote a certain way. The line between companionship and manipulation is dangerous thin. You don't control the friend, if it wants, controls you. And are we really sure we want to hand the company the keys to our emotions?